Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today we are going to continue speaking with you about present simple and present continuous. If you have any questions regarding the structure, the purpose of these tenses, watch our previous video on YouTube channel English Superb. Today we will speak with you about one unique additional purpose of these tenses. So, let's begin. Present simple and continuous we use for a part of a story to make it feel as if it is happening now, at the moment of speech. It is especially common for telling jokes and spoken anecdotes. It helps us to create the impression of the event. It makes the picture of the story. It helps us to make our story exciting, and at the same time it holds the people's attention. Main events are usually described in sequence, in certain order, using present simple. For background events, we use present continuous. It highlights the event. It's very emotional, emphatic part of your story. We call it pivotal moment. You are telling a story using all these past tenses, and just to emphasizing, you use a specific phrase like suddenly or all of a sudden. For example, I was sitting in the park, surfing internet, and all of a sudden, the squirrel jumps at me. So that is an example of such technique. Now we will figure out more examples in old and modern jokes in English language. Let's look at the following joke. Two hunters are out in the woods when one of them collapses. He doesn't seem to be breathing. The other guy takes out his phone and calls the emergency services. He gasps, "My friend is dead! What should I do?" The operator says, "Calm down, I can help. First, let's make sure he's dead." There is a silence, then a shot is heard. When he gets back on the phone, the guy says, "Okay, now what?" In this joke, we see that all main events we described with the help of present simple. Look at these jokes, read them, and pay attention to the present simple and continuous. Let's practice our knowledge. Read the following joke and complete the gaps with the verbs from the brackets. Use them in the correct form. Don't forget that for main events, we use present simple, and for background events, we use present continuous. Let's check. And by the way, write your favorite joke in English language in your comments. I hope you like my today's lesson. Do your best in learning English. Never give up. Don't forget to like my lesson and subscribe to my channel. Bye!